for everyone interested in my gardening videos. These are the onions. It's now August 2024 and well, they did quite good. Well, anyway, and I'm mowing the grass, but at first I have to remove all these parts here, and I do that with this kind of trimmer. And well, everyone knows that with such a trimmer the lead breaks off, etc, etc. It's a Bosch trimmer. I have to say it works nice and good anyway, but of course with every trimmer we have the same effects. By the way, in this wire, as far as I know, there is a very sturdy type of vinyl wire or whatever material that makes that this trimmer does not stop so many times, and for the reason that this trimmer wire breaks off. Anyway, I had quite a good crop of plum tomatoes. This is a green one, by the way. All are now harvested, and here quite a few of them are still there anyway. And there's of course Leech here. I had not expected that it worked so good. They are quite fierce here. So anyway, I leave this to the autumn and the winter. And here celery, and here we have leaves. Anyway, this is lettuce, by the way, field lettuce. That is the name in the Netherlands, veldsla. Well, I can take it out, and this is edible, but I have left it too long so that it grew out too much anyway. And here persil, and perhaps we can see here a few peppers. The bell peppers are tiny this year. Has everything to do with a very cold spring in the Netherlands. Anyway, surely useful and tasty, etc, etc. Well, let's go further. Persil here again. Here two kitchen herbs. They taste very good anyway. And here is a typical tomato race that gives extremely good sweet tiny tomatoes. I will give the link to this tomato race in the description. They are easy to grow and the taste is very, very nice. Anyway, so not so much more to tell. Here a plum tomato that has to do its job. Thanks for watching. This is all. And of course I have done cucumbers. And with cucumbers you will always have a kind of moment where you do not expect that, but suddenly you have a very big and tasty cucumber. while the plant itself has green leaves, it shows deterioration, etc., etc. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. I had enormous problems with the so-called witte vlieg. We call it in the Netherlands white fly. But they, in a certain way, cannot attack the cucumber, and they also cannot attack the tomatoes. Thanks for watching.